Thank you so much. So Zordar Talia, I mean, I request, I know Sister Snehanjali, the Ganesha, the cleanathon which we did, which the Carmel Convent had really contributed a lot, along with the newest principal, and obviously she is doing amazing, and we're getting a lot of compliment from all the students.
यही सही वक्त है हमें सबको एक होके इसकी तरफ ज़्यादा ध्यान देना चाहिए, क्योंकि हमारे फ्यूचर जनरेशन की बात है. अगर हम अभी से शुरुआत करेंगे तो आगे हमारे फ्यूचर जनरेशन के लिए अच्छा होगा. सो लेट्स प्लांट मोर ट्रीज दिस ईयर एंड नेक्स्ट ईयर एंड उसके आगे भी, एंड लेट्स कंट्रीब्यूट आवर थिंग टू भूमि नमस्कार.
क्या बात है पारस, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दोस काइंड वर्ड्स एंड यू नो एवरीथिंग दैट यू डू.
वेरी फेमस डायरेक्टर श्रीकांत तुषार हीरानंदानी, जोरदार तालियां. तुषार, इनका काम आपने हमेशा कैमरा के पीछे देखा है, ऐसी कई सारी मूवीज जो तुषार जी खुद बताएंगे. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट, इज पार्ट ऑफ द बामला फाउंडेशन, इज पार्ट ऑफ भूमि नमस्कार जो हमने कैंपेन क्रिएट किया है. तो तुषार हैज बीन विद अस ओवर द ईयर्स. जोरदार तालियां फॉर तुषार हीरानंदानी जी. आफाक मोहम्मद जी प्लीज मंच पर आ जाएं. आप समीर दादा आपको याद करें प्लीज. मैं चाहूंगा कि एक सैपलिंग पारस कलावत को आसिफ बामला जी, समीर कदम दादा अपने हाथों से देंगे. आसिफ बामला जी.
Can we hear a huge round of applause from all of our audience members present over here? All the people who are being felicitated on the stage are our warriors.
Asif bhai, can we present this sapling to Paras? Aye, Samir Dada, please come. Samir Dada, Arun, Inder, and Afaq to give away this small sapling to Paras Kalawat. Thank you. अब मैं चाहूंगा कि आसिफ बामला जी, पारस जी. And present this wonderful trophy to Deepti.
क्या बात, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए उनको जो हर शाम हमें जोरदार हंसाते हैं. मिस्टर कीकू शारदा is here with us. I love the enthusiasm, guys. This is a felicitation for 361
and Kiko ji, without आपकी वो सारी बातें कि वहाँ पर कपिल शर्मा. Thank you Dipti ji. Your thoughts on environment, your thought on actually what climate change is.
No, but it's a great initiative and it's extremely important. बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम environment के लिए कुछ करें. तो मतलब मेरा बस मानना है कि the least we can do is take care of the environment because this is where we live. ये हमारी ज़मीन है, हम यहाँ पर हैं और हम सुरक्षित हैं क्योंकि environment है. अगर हम गलत करेंगे हमारे साथ गलत होगा, ये तो खैर जाहिर सी बात है. But anyways, thank you for having me here and Asif ji and the foundation, the Bamla Foundation is doing a great job. And I'm extremely grateful to them for taking up something like this. They've been doing it for years, and yeah. So thank you so much for having me over here.
Thank you.
कीकू जी, जाने से पहले आपको एक ऐसी आपकी कोई हैबिट बतानी है, आपके रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी की कोई हैबिट जो हमारे एनवायरनमेंट के लिए अच्छी है, जो सस्टेनेबल है नेचर में.
हैबिट जो अच्छी है, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी हैबिट्स है नहीं मुझ में. कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ी चलता है मेरी जिंदगी में. But क्या कहूँ, I guess the only thing, I don't know, अगर आपने Instagram में वीडियोस देखे होंगे मेरे, तो घर पे बहुत प्लांट्स हैं मेरे जिनसे मैं बड़ा प्यार करता हूँ एंड you know I make it a point that not every day but there are certain days जब I water the plants and even I talk to the plants. बड़ा मज़ा आता है, आप भी ट्राई करके देखिए. अगर आप अपने प्लांट से बातें करें, जवाब तो वो नहीं दे पाते हैं लेकिन बातें करके बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. So yeah, that's probably the only thing, one of the only things that I do. Yeah, thank you.
आपको तो जरूर जवाब देते होंगे. थैंक यू किकू जी, थैंक यू फॉर ऑल एंड आई विल गोना सी यू. कपिल शर्मा शो तो हम देखते हैं, बट आपने जिस तरह से लोगों को हंसाया और एक थेरेपी दी है विच हैज ऑलवेज बीन ग्रेट. एंड वी सीइंग अ लॉट ऑफ अदर फेसेस. गौर गोपाल दास जी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका आने का, आपका आशीर्वाद इस भूमि नमस्कार पे रहा है. मैं आपको बस थोड़ी देर बुलाऊंगा, हमारे जो मिलकर के एक बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट हमारी धरती पे पड़ता है. आई एम सीइंग लॉट ऑफ आवर गेस्ट. जान खान हमारे बहुत ही हमारे छोटे भाई एंड एक्चुअली इस टीम बामला फाउंडेशन इज हियर विद मी. आप देखोगे कि आज की तारीख में जब क्लाइमेट चेंज की हम बात करते हैं तो
Good evening everyone. First of all, thank you so much my dimple guy Raj bhai for having me here. I want to thank Asif bhai for this initiative. You know, this is मतलब मैं जितना बोलूँ उतना कम है. आप environment को इतना safe रखते हैं, लोगों को आप बार बार बताते रहते हैं कि क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. It's all against the plastic and all. So guys, please, हम जितने अपनी धरती माँ को क्लीन रखेंगे उतने खुद को क्लीन रख पाएंगे. सो मैं यही आशा करता हूँ कि आप लोग ऐसी चीज़ें कंटिन्यू रखें और हमारे देश को स्वच्छ भारत बनाएं. ऑलरेडी है और अच्छा बनाएं और हम तरक्कियों की ऊंचाई ऑलरेडी छू रहे हैं. एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी कि नरेंद्र मोदी इज बैक विद अ बैंग. सो लेट्स जस्ट गिव इट अप फॉर आवर प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी गाइस, प्लीज. थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू सर. आप प्लीज यहाँ पर रुके. मैं चाहूँगा आरिफ भाई, हमारे जो किंगडम ऑफ सऊदी अरेबिया से आए, स्पेशली यूएन के हमारे इस थीम के जो ग्लोबल होस्ट है, वो प्लीज़ मंच पर आए और एक छोटा सा सैपलिंग जान खान को अपने हाथों से दे. प्लीज़ आइए. और दानिश भाई, आप भी प्लीज़ मंच पे ऊपर आएँ. फ्रॉम HMA Group, one of the directors of HMA Group, to please come on stage and present this small sapling to our dearest Zan Khan.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a huge round of applause for all of our delegates and artists who are there on stage, जो हर बार हमारे साथ खड़े रहते हैं, हमारी मदद करते हैं in an initiative that is for you all and for us and for the environment.
थैंक यू सो मच आसिफ सर, मिराज भाई, फॉर ऑल द लव. आप लोग बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं और अल्लाह पाक आपको ऐसे ही खूब तरक्की दे ऊपर वाला आप लोगों को, और हम सबको ऐसे ही अच्छा लगे.
आपने बहुत सारी बातें बताई, लेकिन आपने ये नहीं बताई कि आपकी रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी की ऐसी कौन सी हैबिट है जो एनवायरनमेंट के लिए भी अच्छी है.
मैं आई डोंट यूज प्लास्टिक, सो बेसिकली द बेस्ट पार्ट, आई डोंट यूज प्लास्टिक. एंड लेट्स जस्ट गिव इट अप फॉर आवर रॉकस्टार सहर.
क्या बात है, जोरदार तालियां for सहर.
So yeah, please, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Single-use plastic, actually. So yes, Madhya, we have spoken about environment. We've spoken about single-use plastic. Now let's talk about Bhumi Namaskar. So जैसे आप जानते हैं कि बामला फाउंडेशन हर साल came up with a theme, भूमि नमस्कार. जब हम कहते हैं कि भूमि नमस्कार, हम सूर्य नमस्कार करते हैं, हम भगवान को प्रार्थना करते हैं, हम अल्लाह की प्रार्थना करते हैं, बट जिसकी हमें असल में प्रार्थना करना चाहिए, दुआ करना चाहिए, जिसकी हमें इबादत करना चाहिए, वो हमारी भूमि है, वो हमारी ज़मीन है. और इस कैंपेन को क्रिएट करने में जब हमारी थॉट्स हमारे ग्रेट आर बाल्की सर के साथ हमने शेयर किया, तो हमने इस वर्ड को जनरेट किया, भूमि नमस्कार, जो आने वाले दिनों में मौजूद है. जोरदार तालियां
आशीष शेलार जी के लिए. We also have director R Balki in the house. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause to both of them.
Malaika Arora and Ashish Shelar ji greeting each other. Mr. R Balki, the man behind Bhumi Namaskar. And absolutely, this was completely impossible without Godrej, the team of Godrej, Godrej Property, Godrej Industries and Godrej Lafair, who's been contributing to this great campaign of Bhumi Namaskar. Michelle, if I could just see you around. Hi, Michelle. Yeah. So we have the big round of applause for entire Godrej team for supporting this cause and putting all their efforts to create this environment initiative of Bhumi Namaskar and also going into sustainable way. आशीष शेलार जी हमारे पास मौजूद हैं, साथ ही साथ में आर बाल्की जी हैं, आसिफ बामला जी इनको रिसीव करते हुए, नेहा जगत्यानी मैम इज ऑल्सो हियर, गौर गोपाल जी। हम कैंपेन को आगे बढ़ाएंगे और इस कैंपेन को आगे ले जाने के लिए हम कुछ एक्ट्स आपके बीच में लाएंगे। चाहेंगे कि आप हमारे यहाँ के आमदार आशीष शेलार जी प्लीज मंच पर along with मलाइका अरोड़ा जी to please come on stage। जोरदार तालियां and please welcome advocate आशीष शेलार stage। जोरदार तालियां for
Come on ladies and gentlemen, एक बार फिर जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। We've got मलाइका अरोड़ा, a woman जिनका नाम ही उनके काम के लिए काफी है, मलाइका अरोड़ा, and of course we have Mr. Ashish Shelar, who does not know him। Both of them are here with us today for this campaign। Firstly, thank you so much for joining us।
दानिश भाई से मैं रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्लीज वो मंच पर आए and आसिफ बामला जी along with Seher। आशीष शेलार जी, your thoughts? The government has been really working।
No, but we really want to know things from your end। So ladies first से start करते हैं। We'll start
Dr.
with
Jayashree Sharad and Elnaz Nausir please requested to come on stage। Elnaz ma'am, please। Ashish ji, your thoughts on this World Environment Day?
Let me congratulate Asif bhai and Bhamla Foundation for organizing such a wonderful event। Of course, you do that every year. And World Environment Day, many times you have seen the events and the discussions which only lie between the boardrooms. Actually, what needs to be done? What are the impacts of our act? How it is causing a danger to the society, to the marine life, to the common man? That needs to be presented innovatively. And what Bhamla Foundation is doing exactly the same thing. That the percolation, the communication, the dialogue with the society with a very correct way and correct participation, as we have seen today, Malaika ji is here, and therefore I think this kind of bond for the betterment of the society on the World Environment Day itself, I think, which is a very great thing to do. I congratulate Bhamla Foundation. I request all the citizens also to participate by their own way to achieve the sustainability, to see that the no negative impact can come on the environmental issues as such concern, and let's work together for the same। Thank you so much।
Thank you आशीष शेलार जी, बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने। हमारा हर एक वो योगदान हमारी धरती के लिए बहुत इम्पैक्टफुल रहेगा। जैसे मलाइका जी ने इस भूमि नमस्कार ने अपना योगदान दिया है। I would request Malaika ji to please share a thought on Bhumi Namaskar and World Environment Day।
Thank you very much। Namaskar everybody। Firstly, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the Bhamla Foundation, Asif and his wonderful daughter Seher, for making us part of this beautiful campaign, Bhumi Namaskar। I feel truly proud and privileged to be part of it। I'm not here to give you any unnecessary, unsolicited advice, but as a citizen, as a responsible citizen, all I would say is do your bit for your environment, do your bit for whatever is close to you। I think we always say कि a little bit of help starts at home। बाहर जाने से पहले घर पे start कीजिए। I think that is the most important। And small efforts eventually become big and eventually make a lot of difference in life। So yes, once again, I feel humbled to be standing on the stage with such amazing people. So thank you so much, Sheila ji. It is wonderful to be here for all that you do for our community and everybody sitting here tonight। Thank you all for being present over here. And once again, I'd like to congratulate the Bamla Foundation. Keep doing the wonderful work that you do. We are just happy to be part of it, and we will extend our support year after year after year. So thank you so much.
Thank you, and you did actually, Malaika. You know, with all your contribution for the Bhumi Namaskar, which is the campaign which is launching on the 11th, which you're going to see.
Let me give a little heads up on the Bhumi Namaskar campaign, since our Ashish Shelarji is also here. That this is a campaign that's curated by Al Balki ji. I'm perpetually not calling Al Balki ji earlier because I know if he comes earlier, he might leave earlier. So that's why I want him to stay back for some time to unveil the poster. But it was an idea of Sir's, and we suddenly developed that. And fortunately, we had great people, great minds. Of course, Shan is there, who's curated the campaign. We have Aman, who has done fabulous, who's done the music of Bhumi Namaskar. He has done a fabulous job. Thank you so much, Aman. And of course, the stars who made it big, right from Abhishek Bachchan to Varun Dhawan to Malaika ji to the great man Jackie Shroff. A very big hand to him. He has done it so fabulously that Balki ji, when he saw the clips, he got more motivated towards getting more better work done, if you remember Balki ji. Because he really did it with the zeal, the heart in which he does it. Thank you so much, Jackie Dada. And there were all many. We have Shreya Ghoshal ji who sang it, and number of actors. And Ashish ji, I will request you to also share that campaign once it's out. It's in the public domain. So that also will send a good message across to all of them. Of course, the stars are going to share it on their platform. But it's going to be by far the biggest campaign with the United Nations Environment Program. And of course, the Mahanagar Palika also. Let me tell you, they've also supported this campaign in all ways. We've had Bisleri, who has supported this campaign in a very big way. I have my dearest friend from Bisleri also who's here. And so Mr. Angelo is supposed to come here, but he's not here. We have the Honorable Commissioner here also. I said just make the Honorable Commissioner sit there for a minute because we need to... Okay. We will call him to unveil that with Balki sir. Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji, a very, very big round of applause. I can't hear you guys. Come on, जोरदार तालियों से महानगर पालिका के महाआयुक्त हमारे भूषण गगरानी जी यहाँ हैं और बाल्की साहब के बाजू में बैठे हुए हैं. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर. Balki sir, that is Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji, our commissioner, and Balki sir is the man who curated this beautiful campaign for us. So everyone, once again, thank you, and I think Ashish ji should be.
Absolutely, Asif bhai, you said it right, and I request Asif Bamla ji and Malaika ji to present a sampling to Ashish Shelar ji. Do we have a representative from Mufti? Please come on stage. Disha. And all like-minded people are here. Elnaz Naraoji, the beautiful actress, Elnaz, will receive a sampling from Malaika. Anasia, your thoughts on the environment?
Hi everyone, I'm not going to take much of your time. Thank you for having me. Thank you. Special thanks to Bamla Foundation. I think these kind of events, these kind of initiatives are so important. We can see every day how our world is literally going down in front of us. I'm not going to give too much of gyan because we get too much of that all the time. But what we can do is we are in the land of Mahatma Gandhi. All of us have heard, be the change that you want to see in the world. So I start with myself. I try to save water. I try to recycle. Today I'm wearing a dress I've worn before. I know many times we hear actors don't repeat their outfits, but here I am saying we should save energy. We should do, as Malaika very beautifully said, whatever is in front of you. That is what you can do. If you say, one person se to kuch nahi hota hai, hota hai actually. If 1 million people say mujhse kuch nahi hoga, then we have 1 million. We
you need to present one award. I request Rich Boys, Gaurav Rich Boys, and Niti Goyal to please come on stage. Can I have a trophy for Niti Goyal ji, Nari Niti? She's been supporting this cycle. Nari Niti, जो खाना चाहिए, जो सोनू सूद जी ने कहा, is actually a very hard work of Niti Goyal ji. I would request Malaika and Ashish Shelaji to present this beautiful trophy to Mrs. Niti Goyal ji. So this wonderful trophy award, the Green Crusader Award, goes to Niti. Please join. And another Green Crusader Award to Rich Boy teams. Ashish Shelarji, a small
We welcome Mr. Nadir Godrej. A very, very big round of applause for Nadir Godrej, sir. Michelle, thank you for escorting with sir. A very, very big round of applause for our very, very, very dearest and very nearest patron of the foundation, Nadir Godrej, sir. Thank you so much. I'm so honored that you have been such an inspiration on sustainability, and we learned so much from you, and you always religiously come here. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. And we have the Honorable Municipal Commissioner of MCGM and Administrator, Mr. Bhushan Gagrani is here. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, Shelar Saab.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please give all of them a huge round of applause. Thank you so much for taking out time and being over here for us, for the environment. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए Malaika Arora, Ashish Shelar, and for all of our delegates who are here on stage with us.
जैसे कि आपने देखा मदिया की people from all walks of life. If I say I'm talking about environment, it's just not that I'm an activist or I run a foundation. Like-minded people coming under one roof and discussing a very important one issue, that is environment.
रहे हैं वो है यहाँ पर, तो आप थोड़ा सा डेकोरम मेंटेन करें, स्पेशली ये जो फ्रंट साइड है यहाँ पर अगर आपका कोई बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट काम नहीं है तो आपसे रिक्वेस्ट होगी कि आप बैठ जाएं आराम से. ऑल ऑफ आवर लवली स्टार्स आर इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, पीपल जिन्हें हम यूजुअली स्क्रीन्स पर देखते हैं, न्यूज़पेपर्स में देखते हैं, अपनी मोबाइल की छोटी सी स्क्रीन पर देखते हैं, वो आज यहाँ पर हमारे बीच आए हैं. दे ऑल कम फॉर यू, आपसे मिलने के लिए, आपसे बातें करने के लिए ही यहाँ पर आए हैं. अब हम बांद्रा में जहाँ खड़े हैं, यहाँ पे रोजाना आप लोग वॉक करते हैं, समथिंग दैट्स वेरी गुड फॉर यू एंड फॉर द एनवायरनमेंट ऑल्सो. आज उसी जगह पर हम यहाँ पर ये इवेंट हो. वंस अगेन वेरी हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट टू एनीबडी हु इज देयर इन द फ्रंट, इफ यू डोंट हैव अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क, प्लीज टेक अ सीट, बी सीटेड एंड एंजॉय द एंटायर इवेंट एज इट फ्लोज. जैसे कि मैंने कहा, ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि कोई बहुत ज़्यादा सुनने वाला है मेरी बात.
नहीं मदिया सुन रहे हैं लोग, पर्यावरण में बदलाव आ रहा है. पीपल आर टेकिंग रियली गुड इनिशिएटिव फॉर एनवायरनमेंट, जैसे कि बीच क्लीन अप ड्राइव जो हमने की, बिस्लरी के साथ हमने मिल करके
huge round of applause to Jackie Shroff.
जगू दादा, भूमि नमस्कार. Bhavin, we're going to unveil the poster of Bhumi Namaskar. And the founder of Hangama Music, the partner of the Bamla Foundation, Bhumi Namaskar campaign, Mr. Neeraj Roy, also to please come on stage. Mr. R. Balki, zordar taaliyan for all these wonderful people. And Mr. Gaur Gopal Das also to please come on stage. You can see these wonderful people coming on stage and talking about one single agenda, which is environment. And Jackie Dada, please, आप आगे आए. जग्गू दादा,
जग्गू दादा like वक्त का पूर्ण प्रयोग करें, हर एक इंसान से मिले. He's right now meeting a lot of people on backstage side. लेकिन जग्गू जी, we request you to please join us on
Siddesh
stage.
Sharma ji from Baidyanath to please come on stage. Siddesh. Bhavin, we are going to unveil the poster of Bhumi Namaskar. Are we ready? So, Asif, I want all the eyes on the screen as we're going to launch Mr. Nadir Godrej ji, the campaign of Bhumi Namaskar. So I request everybody in the audience and on stage to please turn around and have a look at the launch of Bhumi Namaskar. Bhavin?
When वो कहते हैं शुभ शगुन मानते हैं और भूमि नमस्कार स्वयं एक शुभ शगुन की बात है. Mr. Godrej, please can we have you? And of course the man who thought about the entire team, Mr. R. Balki is here. Can I also request Romanchak Arora if you don't mind? Romanchak, can we have you on the stage?
Romanchak Arora, the creative, the director,
Mr. Neeraj
producer.
Roy of Hangama is here in a huge round of applause. Please can we have you also here? Shan ji आप आइए और अमन जी आप भी आइए यहाँ. Romanchak is as usual a very casual man, unlike me. Rashi Khanna ji आप भी आइए यहाँ. So let me first tell you all that Mahanagar Palika, when it heard the theme, which was curated by Mr. Balki, it lended us the support of offering us the logo of the Mahanagar Palika, the background support of the gardens, which was supported by Mr. Visputeji. Visputeji is our local H-West ward officer. Is he around here? A very, very big round of applause, sir. विस्पुते जी की शिकायत रहती है कि हम अमूमन भूल जाते हैं उन्हें, जो हम कभी भूल भी जाते हैं. तो इस बार आपकी शिकायत कोई नहीं रहेगी सर. थैंक यू सो मच. तो मैं चाहूँगा कि सबसे पहले जो है हमारे जो मार्गदर्शक हैं मिस्टर गोडरेज, in a very short way, if you can explain a little bit of and on environment, I would like to begin with Mr. Godrej because he has been a great inspiration to us. A man who we look up and upon to for all our environmental endeavors, because Godrej as a corporate has been a very sustainable brand. So without taking a lot of time, I give Mr. Nadir Godrej Zordar Talios. I can hear your voice. Zordar Talios. A very big round of applause to Godrej. If I can also request Michelle to please come up on the stage. Thank you so much. And if I request my friend from Bistari, please, my dear friend, please come over. Rahul, So let me begin with Mr. Nadir Godrej saying a few words. Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone, welcome. It is no longer Climate Day. Let's resolve to find a way. This year's issue, we understand, is preservation of our land. Now at Godrej, our CSR helps to take us very far. Multiple benefits is what one sees with water projects or growing trees. Good livelihoods are created, our carbon emissions are abated, different species can be tried, useful products can be supplied, like biomass or edible fruits, and yet the trunk and the roots can sequester carbon, clean the air, a win-win that is very fair. We have many kinds of biomass, groundnut shells, straw or bagasse, high-energy bamboos on the way. A major role it can play. The energy density is high. It's something that we need to try. Much progress we will see with the latest technology. If India is to achieve its goal, technology must play a role. The right incentives are what we need. If they're in place, we can succeed. Regenerative agriculture.
We actually spoke about the real work what Godrej industry is doing. Jackie Shroff ji.
सभी को सादर प्रणाम. स्टेज पे उपस्थित सभी बड़ों को मेरा प्यार. बच्चे लोग, आप लोग सुन रहे नहीं सुन रहे, देख रहे नहीं देख रहे मालूम नहीं. 50 डिग्री हुआ है, 60 डिग्री होने में टाइम नहीं लगेगा, जल के मरेंगे. अभी भी सुधर जाओ तो अच्छा है भाई लोग. अपने लिए नहीं, अपने छोटे बच्चे लोग आए उनके लिए झाड़ लगाने की कोशिश करो और दिमाग शांत रखो. कोशिश करो एनवायरनमेंट, जैसा बामला बाबा बताते रहते हैं, हर साल नहीं, हर 3 महीने में कुछ ना कुछ करते रहते हैं, वैसे करते रहे वो. और आप लोग भी करो साथ में मिलके. एक का ही काम नहीं है, सबका काम है बॉस. We all are responsible for what we are leaving behind for the children. कोई इंग्लिश समझ में आता है, पीछे वाले को नहीं आता हो तो नहीं, कुछ सुना तो सुना ठीक, नहीं सुना तो नहीं सुना, मगर झाड़ लगा रहे. देख कहाँ से झाड़ निकल रहे, बाल देख ले. अगर अभी नहीं निकालेंगे झाड़, हर जगह से तुम्हारे झाड़ ही होना चाहिए. ऑटो रिक्शा में होना चाहिए, समझा? ऑटो रिक्शा भर के होना चाहिए. सब ऑटो रिक्शा में लगाऊं मैं तो बोलता हूँ. और मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि उनकी यूनियन से बात करके दे दूं. बाकी आप बड़े सब लोगों को, बाल्की साहब थैंक यू, शान सुपर, थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू बॉडीज,
थैंक यू.
सबको बहुत बहुत प्यार. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र. जास्त टेन्शन घ्यायचं नाही, झाडं लावायचं.
I request R. Balki ji, please, a few words on exactly the beautiful campaign which you created on Bhumi Namaskar.
I don't think I can say it better than what Jackie has done. But I think just one thing, we all say namaskar to a lot of people, a lot of things every day. At least sometimes, let's just do namaskar to the earth. And that's all this campaign is. I hope you guys, you all know what has to be done. The number of things that need to be really urgently addressed. And Mr. Bamla will tell you this every 3 months, every day of the year. And I just want to say, the World Environment Day is not one day, it's every day of our lives.
Thank you, Mr.
Very well
Balki ji.
said.
It's my great pleasure, privilege and honor to be here this evening, and I want to thank Mr. Asif Bamla and the Bamla Foundation to give me this opportunity to be here this evening. My respects to all the dignitaries present here on the stage and on the dais as well. Let me just tell you a quick story that probably tells us what we need to do in regards to environment and our life as well. Once a teacher asked a class of 7-year-olds and gave them an assignment. The assignment was, he said, I want all of you to write a sentence. And the kids thought that's not a big deal. Yeah, but my condition is, it should be a sentence of 10 words. The kid said, that's not a big deal as well, writing a sentence of 10 words. The teacher said, but I want each word to be a 2-lettered word. If, be, to, me. So 10 words in a sentence, but each word to be only 2 letters. Now the kids were thinking it's a difficult assignment. And then the teacher said, most important of all, I want it to be a meaningful sentence. Otherwise you could say, if be, me, to, but. If be, me, to, is. The kids scratched their heads and they just couldn't come to a conclusion. And finally the teacher wrote on the board the first 5 words of the 10-worded sentence. If it is to be. If it is to be. And the kids were wondering what are the next 5 words of the sentence. And the teacher wrote on the board, if it is to be, and the next 5 words were, it is up to me. If it is to be, it is up to me. Right? If we are wanting the environment to change, don't think the other person, our Jackie Dada says all the time, Chhad patti lagane ka bidu. Make some loud noise for Jackie Dada, guys. And he said so beautifully that it's not one person's responsibility, it is our responsibility together to make that change so the future will be bright. My congratulations to Balki sir and the entire team for coming up with the Bhumi Namaskar campaign. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Your every statement, what you say is very thoughtful and we follow you. I request Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji to please say a few words. On behalf of environment, she has been doing ये गांव-गांव जा करके लोगों के बीच में रह करके प्लास्टिक पोल्यूशन हो उन सब का काम पल्लवी Choksi ma'am to please come on stage along with Vardhaman and Rishabh also.
And ladies and gentlemen, we have Ravina Tandon on stage.
Can I have the award of Ravina Tandon?
आप सभी जानते हैं that recently she's always been so inclined towards helping the community. कोई भी Bandra में any project, she's always the first person to come up. Recently, there was also an incident with her driver where she stepped up and helped the driver. She is truly the image of courage in our Indian film industry. Ladies and gentlemen, please give Ravina Tandon a huge round of applause.
And the next award to Pallavi Choksi ji. Aye. Can I have the sapling also to be given? And this award by Mr. Nadir Godrej and all to Pallavi ji. Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much. अब मैं Rishabh and Vardhaman Choksi to please join this. Few more illustration. I would request Mrs. Neha Jaktiani ji also to please come and award and receive the award from Mr. Nadir Godrej and Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji. Team Bestseller to please come up and receive the award from Bestseller. Team Mufti, Mr. Tushar Malhotra ji from Bisleri to please receive this award from Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji and Mr. Nadir Godrej ji from Bisleri. This award by Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji to Neha Jaktiani ji. Award to Mr. Tushar Malhotra from Bisleri by Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji and Mr. Nadir Godrej to present it to Bisleri. Mr. Tushar Hiranandani to please receive this award. It is here, Mr. Tushar Hiranandani ji. And Mr. Subodh Runwal from Runwal Group are requested to please come on stage. Mr. Subodh Runwal, the chairman of Runwal Group, is requested to please come on stage. Mr. Subodh Runwal. High backs here we have Shreya to please receive the award. Shreya and Asif to receive the award from High-Glow to receive this sustainable award from Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji, Everglow. Everglow. Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji to felicitate Mr. Inder Kataria. I will request Rashi Khanna ji to give away this award.
The other award
to HMA Group. Sorry, to Mr. To the high back. Please come. Mr. Danish Khan to receive the HMA award. Mr. Danish bhai, please आइए. HMA award for the sustainable partner of Bamla Foundation.
and once again would request Ms. Rashi to kindly present this set of award as well.
And a very special award given to by Mr. Bhushan Gagrani.
We request Ms. Rashi to kindly present the award to Mr. Danish.
From Lalani Group.
Mr. Shan Lalwani from Vruksh. We request Mr. Shan Lalwani from Vruksh to kindly come on stage.
Mr. Subodh Runwal ji, says big round of applause for the Runwal Group.
आप सबको बहुत प्यार भरा नमस्कार। आज मुझे यहाँ पे सम्मानित किया गया है। पहली बार एक ब्रेवरी अवार्ड मिला है, उसके लिए मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ। लेकिन ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि हम सब में कहीं ना कहीं इंसानियत भरी पड़ी है और जहाँ तक हम सोचते हैं, चाहे हमारी भूमि हो या हमारे आजू बाजू के दोस्त हो या हमारे कर्मचारी हो या हमारे साथ रहने वाले लोग हो, हम यही चाहते हैं कि सारे सुरक्षित हो, साथ रहें, प्यार से रहें। और ये हमारी एक ही भूमि है, एक ही प्लैनेट है जो हमें आगे वाली पीढ़ियों को एक अच्छा हेल्दी प्लैनेट देना है। हमारे पास प्लैनेट बी नहीं है, यही है जो हमारी धरती है, आपकी है, मेरी है, हमारे आगे वाले बच्चों की है। तो प्यार और मोहब्बत से हम अपनी ये मातृभूमि को भी बहुत एक मोहब्बत ही नहीं, लेकिन जैसे कहें कि उसे हरा भरा और स्वस्थ भी बनाए। हेल्दी प्लैनेट will always have healthy generations ahead. आपका सबका बहुत धन्यवाद। Thank you आसिफ बामला जी, and I think आप बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं उसके जन्म से देखा है और आज तक, and it only gets bigger and better, and congratulations to you और आपकी मेहनत को. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Ravina ji, I request Parvez Lakdawala ji to please come on stage. Parvez bhai, please आप stage पर आए.
Yeah, but let us speak and then we'll.
जितने भी लोग स्टेज पे हैं उन सबको मेरा नमस्कार. आप सब लोग जो आए हैं, आप सबको मेरा प्यार भरा नमस्कार. I am very very happy to be here and I am very grateful for the Bhamla Foundation who have called me here today. R. Balki sir, and congratulations for making this beautiful thing that I'm yet to see, but I'm sure it will be amazing, something that we all need to see and learn from. Bhamla Foundation हर साल कोई ना कोई इनिशिएटिव करती रहती हैं, चाहे वो पेड़ पौधे लगाना हो या फिर बीचेस साफ करना हो, और ये बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं जो हमारी इन्वायरमेंट को बेहतर बनाती हैं. मैं भी अपने बर्थडे पे एक्चुअली एज अ ट्रेडिशन हर साल पेड़ पौधे लगाती रही हूँ, बट आई फील लाइक somebody said here today on stage that environment day is not supposed to be just one day. It's supposed to be every day. We are supposed to celebrate the environment for all that it has given us. और हम इन छोटे छोटे वेज में इस प्लानट को बेहतर बना सकते हैं अपनी फ्यूचर जनरेशन्स के लिए. तो बहुत ही खुशी है आज यहाँ पे इन सब के बीच होना, to be a small part of this initiative, and I hope we keep making and doing things that help our environment in the future. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much and keep doing this beautiful work you've been doing. Yes, absolutely. Okay. Supporting this
A very big
noble
round of
cause.
applause to Mr. Nadir Godrej. A very big round of applause to Mr. Nadir Godrej. Thank you so much, Mr. Godrej, on all the work on sustainability that you've been doing. Shan, you remember we were talking about Mr. Nadir Godrej. So you are an inspiration even now to all the youngsters and everybody. We are so honored that normally Mr. Godrej, it's very difficult to, with his busy schedule, to remove a time. But sir, when he heard that the Honorable Commissioner is coming, and when he knew that we have the blessings of the Mahanagar Palika for a cause like this, he totally accepted to come here for this. Mrs. Chokshi, thank you so much and hearty congratulations for all the good work you've done. Parvez bhai, Subodh bhai, आप पीछे हो लेकिन फिर भी नजर आते हो. हाँ, पीछे रहने वाले ज़्यादा नजर, तो थोड़ा सा आप आगे आइए. हमारे HMA के हमारे भाई साहब भी यहाँ आए all the way from Delhi. So all of them, and Shan, once again, हमारा मेन प्रोग्राम तो 11 को. Let me tell you, this song of Bhumi Namaskar, आज आप लोगों ने उसका टाइटल और उसका जो पोस्टर है उसका अनावरण देखा है. इसकी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस 11 को है एट दी हंगामा ऑफिस. सार्वजनिक रूप से मैं कह रहा हूँ, तो आपने सिक्योरिटी और व्यवस्थाओं का बंदोबस्त कर दीजिएगा. तो 11 तारीख को ये गाना का अनावरण है जिसमें अभिषेक, वरुण धवन सारे इसमें इन्वॉल्व है. शान ने बहुत खूबसूरत गाया. अमन, a very big hand to Aman. I would want Shan is a host, so Shan, you please give a sapling to Aman, because Shan को हम sapling दे ये मुनासिब नहीं है. तो Shan अपने मुबारक हाथों से अमन को सम्मानित करे, क्योंकि संगीतकार ही एक संगीत की लय को जान सकता है. और thank you so much Aman ji, this is a great thing. And thank you everybody.
To you all to kindly come together for a picture, because photographs ही memories होते हैं.
Well, Shan, in मध्य प्रदेश और आपने काफी अच्छा काम किया है. Thank you so much and congratulations. Can
Nadir Godrej will give away this special award.
Very nice. All right, let's understand. People who are here from Churchgate, from Sobo, South Bombay side, put your hand up and make some noise. ठीक है. तो आप मेरे 3 divisions समझ गए, right? We've got Sobo, we've got Bandra at the center, and we've got suburbs. हम लोग एक छोटा सा competition करते हैं before our next performance. I want to see कि कौन से हिस्से में सबसे ज़्यादा ताकत है. Let's start. I want all the Sobo guys to make some noise.
South Bombay, come on!